Good morning, children. As we are dealing with chapter number 9, this is the lecture for class 9, chapter number 9, food production. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss the exercises of this chapter and we are going to complete the chapter, as this chapter is also included for your first term examination. So in the previous chapter also, children, we had already discussed about some of the questions, just like multiple choice question and short answer questions. So again I am explaining you the multiple choice questions. Which one of the following is indigenous breed of dairy cows? Answer is Sahiwal. Which one of the following is common breed of buffalo found in Gujarat? Is Mehsana. Identify the indigenous breed of poultry of India, that is a seal. Which one of the following is a rabi crop? Answer is wheat. Identify the kharif crop. Answer is rice. After that we have short answer type questions. The first one is fill in the blanks. First is cattle feed made from cereals and wheat is called concentrates. Concentrates, that is A. Concentrates. Number B. Rearing of birds for egg and meat is called poultry. Number C. Animal food is rich in proteins. Now after that we have question number 2. Name the following. A is the popular indigenous breed of poultry in India. Answer is a seal. B. Rearing of honey bees. Apiculture. Now on page number 94 we have the question and same questions. Number C. Architect of White Revolution in India. Mr. Varghese Kuren. 4. A Kashmiri goat which gives expensive wool. Answer is Kashmiri Pashmina. E. Scientist responsible for Green Revolution in India. Answer is M.S. Swaminathan. Now match the columns. Match the columns, as I had discussed in the previous lecture also. Rabi crop we are going to match with winter crop. Rice we are going to match with transplantation, and orchards it will be with the kharif crops. Now question number 4 is name 4 animals which provide us food. So how you will write the answer, children? The 4 animals which provide us food are buffalo, cow, pig, hen, fish, etc. B. Name any 2 dual-purpose breed of cattle. The 2 dual-purpose breed of cattle are Dangi and Tharparkar. Number C. Give 2 examples of milch animals. Answer is the 2 examples of milch animals are cow, buffaloes, goat, etc. Okay, as I have written his cow, buffalo, goat and are milk yielding animals, that is also correct. Otherwise you can write like this. The 2 examples of milch animals are cow, buffalo, goat, and camel is also there. You can write that also. D. Name any 2 high yielding indigenous breeds of cow. Answer is Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi. E. Name 4 varieties of edible fishes in India. Answer is eel, hilsa, salmon, sardine and pomfret. F. Name 2 breeds of buffaloes. Answer is Murrah, Surati and Mehsana. So these much questions, children, because they are the short answers, so it was possible for me to write the answer in the book, so I have given you in the book. Now we have the next question, that is question number 5. So in question number 5 you have briefly explained the following terms, so that I have written in my notes, so I am giving you that only. So the first one is animal husbandry. So these are the answers of starting from question number 5. Briefly explain the following terms. First is animal husbandry. So what is animal husbandry? The branch of biology which deals with feeding, shelter, caring and breeding of domesticated animals is called animal husbandry. Now the second part of this is sericulture. Sericulture, the artificial rearing of silkworm and production of silk from them is called sericulture. Third is aquaculture, the production and farming of aquatic animal as fishes, prawns, shrimps, etc. is called aquaculture. Number 4 is hatcheries. Now what are hatcheries? We raise small nurseries where water is stored in small pits where we put fish, seeds, means fish eggs. From these fish eggs, very small fish come out, outer hatchery. Then these small fishes are transferred to big ponds. These small nurseries where eggs hatch and give small fish are called hatcheries. Number 5. Number 5 is pisciculture. It deals with the study with the production and management of fishes. It is a scientific systematic way of raising of fishes, their multiplication, their production and management. Number 6. Organic farming. It is the practice of raising crop without using inorganic fertilizers and pesticides. Farmers use organic manure MAN that has been prepared scientifically. The main aim of organic farming is to enhance soil fertility, grow crops in an eco-friendly environment free from chemical pollution and thus produce crops with high nutritional value. Now we have the long answer type questions. Now in long answer types question, children, we have first one is differentiate. First I will show you in the book. The question is differentiate between an egger and a broiler. So in the lecture also I have given you the explanation. Again I am giving you the answer. Following are the differences between an egger and a broiler. So the answer is egger. Egg-laying chickens are called eggers. Okay, egg-laying chickens are called eggers. White leghorns produce many eggs. So you can write like this. Egg-laying, as it is also you can write. If you want to give white leghorns as an example, that also you can write. Next is the broilers. Chicken which give us meat are called broilers. So indigenous variety, a seal, give high yield of meat and less number of eggs. Now number 2 question is, name the 2 exotic breeds of fowl in India and mention their usefulness. Exotic breed of fowl in India are white leghorn and Rhode Island. Okay, so these are the names of the breeds. Now, what are their usefulness? So, usefulness is white leghorn, its size is small and needs less fed for maintenance. It lays oval white egg. Rhode Island red, it has developed and farmed in Rhode Island, USA. This is a dual type of bread. It is a fairly good egg layer and also a good meat provider. Now, question number 3 is, what are milch animals? Give 3 examples of exotic breed and crossbreed of cows. So, what are milch animals? Milch animals are milk producing animals. The example of these exotic breeds of cow are Jersey, Holstein, Friesian, Brown Swiss. Example of crossbreed of cow are Curran Fries and Frieswall. Question number 4. What is the meaning of term aquaculture? Name 3 animals which can be cultured by this method. The term aquaculture is used for the production of farming of useful aquatic animals in various type of water bodies. The animals which can be cultured by this methods are fish, prawn, lobster or mollusks, etc. Now the question number 5 is, differentiate between food crops and cash crops and give example of each. Food crops. The crops which are grown for food are called food crops. Wheat, rice, maize, pulses, oil, seed, etc. They all are the example of food crops. Now, second point of the crops is, these crops mainly grown in plains. And the third point is, these are annual. Annual means they complete their life cycle in one season. For example, wheat, rice, maize, grams, beans, etc. Cash crops, the crops which are mainly cultivated for commercial purpose are called cash crops. Tea, coffee, rubber, etc. These crops generally grow in hilly areas or slopes, as rainwater should not be stand in the roots. These are mainly perennials, means the plant live for more than 2 years. Question number 6. What are kharif crops? Name the most important cereal plant of such crops. So kharif crops are the crops which are generally grown in rainy season. Example, rice. It needs rainfall from 150 to 200 centimeters and also requires flooded field during its growth. Cultivation method of kharif crop is transplantation. The seeds are soaked for 24 hours. The seed got sprouted. Then these sprouted sprouts attain the height of 6 to 9 inch. Are transferred to specially prepared flooded fields which have been properly plowed. As the seedlings start growing, the fields are watered and manured from time to time. For ripening, plants require 16 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius temperature. When the crop fully ripe and the plant become golden yellowish, then the crop is harvested manually or with the help of combines. Now question number 7 is, children, name 2 main crop seasons. We have to discuss here 2 main crop seasons of India. 3 examples of the crop grown during this season. So as we have discussed about Rabi and Kharif, so one is the Kharif season and second is the Rabi season. So 2 main crop seasons in India are Kharif season and second is the Rabi season. So Kharif season, the rainy season, is from July to October and known as Kharif season. The chief Kharif crops are miles. Mainly you can write bajra or jowar, paddy, maize, cotton, etc. Rabi season, the winter season is from November to April and is known as Rabi season. Wheat, grams, peas, mustards are important Rabi crops. Now come to question number 8. Now question number 8 is, list the uses of bacteria in food industry. The uses of bacteria in the food industries are, there are many uses children, so I have only given you 3. If you want to write more than that, then also you can write. The bacteria, they are helping in the manufacture of vinegar, butter and cheese. You can also add here curd. It also for the formation of antibiotics, serums, vaccines and vitamin B complex. It is also used for making alcohol, cheese, vinegar, citric acid, etc. Now, question number 9. Name one of the variety of edible mushroom. So, 2 variety I am giving you here. First is the white button mushroom. Second is the paddy straw mushroom. White button mushroom is already given in your book. So, the scientific name is Agaricus bisporus. Agaricus bisporus. And paddy straw mushroom is Volverilla. So, you should know the scientific names of these plants. Now, question number 10. Mention the benefits of green revolution in our country. So, first we have to give some definition about the green revolution. Green revolution, the knowledge of science has brought about many-fold increase in the production of greens, pulses and other crops to lead to green revolution. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan is known as the father of green revolution in India. The benefits of our green revolution in our country are, because of green revolution, the development of high yielding variety. We have discussed that because of green revolution only the high yielding variety we have got. Development of early maturing varieties, development of disease resistance varieties, production of large quantity of food grains, as well as it help in providing employment on large scale. Now the last question of this chapter is number 11. List out the benefits of white revolution in our country. The answer is, the benefits of white revolution in our country are, the purpose of this program was to link the rural producers with urban consumers. And the second is, rural farmers corporations were organized at the village level and connected to the urban consumers. It ensures that the dairy farmers got a major share of price of milk which consumers pay. So children, this is all about your chapter. Your chapter is over now. So do all these question and answers in your copy and revise the chapter carefully. And in the next lecture, we are going to start the revision from chapter number 2. And I am sending you the clicks in your dashboard in your homework also. So please, if you want to write from the video, you write from here. Otherwise, you can download the homework from the dashboard. Thank you, children.